In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize images for all social platforms using Artistly AI. First, open Artistly AI and upload the image you want to resize. This works great for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, TikTok content, and more. Next, select the Smart Expand tool inside the editor. This feature helps automatically extend and resize your image without awkward cropping or losing important details. After that, choose the social media format you want to create, such as square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, or widescreen for YouTube thumbnails. Artistly AI will intelligently expand the background and adjust the composition to fit the new size. You can also reposition your subject and fine-tune the expanded areas to make the final image look natural and balanced. Once you're happy with the result, preview the resized version to make sure it fits perfectly for your chosen platform. Finally, download the image in high quality and upload it directly to your social media accounts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.